This is Ermy Q&A Show, episode number 7, and today we are answering the question, should you attend the Polyglot Gathering? So, should you attend the Polyglot Gathering? The short answer is yes! But in this video, I'm going to outline 4 reasons why you should attend the Polyglot Gathering by sharing my main takeaways from this first online Polyglot Gathering in this year 2020. And I also share with you some great tips that I got from this gathering that can help you learn Italian or any other second language. So stay tuned till the end of this video to know it all. Reason number 1 why you should attend the Polyglot Gathering is that you get to practice all your foreign languages and you get to meet like-minded people. A little bit of backstory here. When I was first told that the Polyglot Gathering was going to be online because we were in coronavirus land, I got a bit disappointed because I thought, oh, actually, I might not get a lot out of this experience. However, it revealed to be amazing because the Polyglot Gathering was so well organized that we had the chance to meet up in video chat room and chat in every language that we wanted. As far as I'm concerned, I practiced my French, my Spanish, and I also got to help other people with their Italian, which was amazing! And I also managed to organize a little Zoom meeting for them after the gathering. By the way, if you wanna practice Italian with us, I am going to organize another Zoom meeting! So you should definitely be on my email list so that I can let you know when the next meetup on Zoom is to practice our Italian. Make sure you subscribe using the link below. I mean below in the description of this video. Reason number 2 why you should attend the Polyglot Gathering is that you get to taste and learn other foreign languages. For example, I got to learn a little bit of Polish! Thanks to Eva Ogar-Jones and her presentation Start Speaking Polish Now, I got to learn some basic Polish words and now I can order my pierogi from my Polish shop down the road. Proszę pierogi! And of course, get to use these Polish words next year when I'll go to the Polyglot Gathering in Poland! The third reason why you should attend the Polyglot Gathering is that you get to contribute to the language learning community. For example, in this Polyglot Gathering, we had lightning talks, 5-minute talks where you could contribute with a topic related to language learning or language in general. And then there was also the Polyglot Got Talents show!
For example, once one of my students told me ho comprato 2 capelli rather than ho comprato 2 cappelli.
By the way, if you want to see my whole performance in the Polyglot Got Talents show, you better subscribe and hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I publish that video next week. And finally, the fourth and last but not the least reason why you want to attend the Polyglot Gathering is that you have the opportunity to improve and develop your language learning skills. I learned so much listening to all the beautiful talks at the Polyglot Gathering, and I still need to catch up with the one that I haven't listened to because I was too busy practicing my language skills in the video chat room. Anyway, I'd like to share my main takeaways and main tips that I got from this Polyglot Gathering online of this year, which I'm sure will be also useful to you to improve your own language learning skills in any language. Are you ready? I took a lot of notes. I'll start with Dr. Garrett Popkins with his presentation 4 language skills, 12 tips, where he basically gave 12 tips for each language skill: listening, writing, reading, and speaking. Here are some of my most favorite tips from his presentation. For writing, I love that Garrett said that you need to get online in order to practice your writing skills and use the power of community. For reading, he talked about using translating texts in order to develop your reading skills because translated text normally can feature a simplified language. And then they talked about improving your speaking by building island of fluency, which means by developing your vocabulary and your speaking in specific topic first, which eventually will contribute to your overall fluency in your second language. For listening skills, Garrett talked about to start to listen to audio material that is at a native speaker speed as soon as you can, which brings me to the talk by Job Upmeyer, which was called Decoding Movies, How Hearing and Transcribing Audio Content Can Boost Your Skills in a Foreign Language. In his talk, Job explains how you can improve your listening and writing skills by transcribing movies. Here is his process. Record the dialogue on your phone, listen and try to transcribe it, compare your script with subtitles, and then fill the gaps and correct the error by comparing what you have written to the transcription. For a few days, listen to that audio clip again and see if you can understand more. I'd say that this technique is a must try if you really want to boost your listening skills. And by the way, if you want to know more about how to improve your listening skills and deal with fast speech, I have this video which I'll put in the info box up here. Before you go there, I have a little secret to tell you. Did you know that apparently when you're a beginner, it is possible to improve your speaking skills without talking? Andras Orisek, in his talk, How to Develop Speaking Skills Without Talking, explains that you can develop your speaking skills by copying your thoughts. You can think and create sentences in your native language by copying your thoughts and then translate them into your second language. This kind of exercise can help you to develop the same process that you used when you was first starting speaking another language. Andras advised to create 50 sentences per day in order to train your brain to start thinking in another language. And finally, speak. And as far as pronunciation is concerned, I would definitely have a look at Luca Lampariello's presentation about 10 golden rules for great pronunciation in any language. In his presentation, Luca says that it's important to tackle pronunciations and sound in your second language from the very first beginning, because it's more difficult to unlearn something rather than learn something new. This is why you want to get your pronunciation right in your second language from the very start. If you want to improve your pronunciation, you should rather start from big chunk of text, analyze the intonation, the connected speech, and then focus on single words. Now, this was just a little taste of what was said in these talks, and I would strongly advise you to go and visit the YouTube channel of the Polyglot Gathering and keep an eye on it to see when they upload the presentations from this year. Meanwhile, make sure you like this video if you liked it and subscribe to my channel for more language learning related advice, and of course, learning Italian with me. Because you know, every week I have a live lesson on this YouTube channel, so if you'd like to be notified when next lesson is scheduled, make sure you subscribe and hit the red subscribe button and the bell next to it. This was Ermy from thelanguagerus.com, and with that I say, I hope to see you in my next video or at the next Polyglot Gathering! Yay! Grazie dell'attenzione. Ciao!